So in this video, I will connect the Elementor Pro Form with our Mailwizz lists. So here I have already a standard Elementor Pro Form. I will need also my Mailwizz list information, and we will use Zapier under the webhooks functionality to connect both together. So on our Elementor form, as we want to use a subscription, we don't have the message. So first I delete the message. So now we have the two fields, the name and the email, and our send button. So here we will do action after submit. We will do two things. We will not send an email, but we will do webhook, and we will do a redirection. So here in the webhook, we need to enter the address of the webhook that we will get from Zapier. So here that type as first webhook by Zapier, and we will connect again with webhook with Zapier. Okay, when this trigger catch a hook, so when Zapier get a new hook entry, we will do a post. Okay, so now the configuration. So here Zapier give us the URL that we have to copy, and we will enter this in our web form. So I select first the form, webhook, and I enter this here. Past, advanced data. I'm not even sure if we need it. Okay. Update. And the redirection will be the link where we want to redirect the page. So when we have a without thank you page or the login, we can enter a new link here. Yes, so this I will enter net. That's not really relevant, but so we can redirect to any page that we want once the webhook. So here I enter the webhook, and I update, and I say view page. So and now I need to send one time test, and I send one time the data successfully, and here we found data, and this is what he got sent. Okay, so the first part is done. Now we need to make the second part, is the Mailwizz part. Complete the step, webhook post, continue. So now we need to get the form post from Mailwizz. So we go to our list, to the list that we want to use. We go to market, so I go to this, and I go to form. So here it gives me the subscription form, and on the form action here, this is where the form is submitted, and it is this that we have to copy. What is on the action? So I put it here, past. It's a form type, and here we will need the fields that we have to input. So now I know it, but we will have the email fields. That is mandatory. The name is email. Copy. So we need to put the email, and here, what was the email? So that was this field, and we sent it also the first name. So it's name, but if you want to find it here, first name, the ID, so the name, like F name, copy, value, okay. This is all. Continue. Me, Marcel, test and view. So here is the answer that he get. So if you are not familiar with all the HTML, just copy all, make a new text file, save, HTML, okay, document, and I will open it, HTML. So that is the answer. Congratulations, success is now complete. This means that we get the right answer. If it's an error message, you get it also here. And if I go in my list, I have now 2 subscribers. And I can go here to see the subscriber. And I see me at Marcel Heiniger, also me, Marcel. It's confirmed in. It's added just now, and it's come from the web, from user agent Zapier. Okay. We are done. Done editing. Turn Zap on. So, and the Zap is connected. Go to my Zaps. And you see, this Zap is instant. So as soon as you get captured, you do it. Okay.